Chicken Virtuoso, the renowned speculation YouTuber, as of late purchased Tesla, offers to the shock of numerous the Tesla financial backer, who has for quite a while given justifications for why Tesla may not keep on recording expanded interest for its vehicle and why the organization's stock will probably encounter more plunges could at long last be seeing positive possibilities for Tesla. It appears to be fairly amazing for the stock financial backer purchasing more Tesla shares, particularly during these questionable periods in the securities exchange. What might actually be his justification behind doing so? Well, fortunate for you, you're going to figure out in this video. You certainly don't have any desire to miss this one. Welcome everybody and welcome back to Tesla Tomorrow. Famous YouTuber and gigantic enthusiast of the financial exchange Chicken Virtuoso Singapore as of late purchased around $300,000 worth of Tesla shares. This comes after the vehicle organization halted its plunge to its most minimal cost in 2 years, with a few financial backers auctioning off their portions subsequent to reporting that he had gotten some Tesla shares. Chicken Virtuoso tweeted the significant motivations behind why he had purchased Tesla's portions. As per him, he had been gotten down on a few times about his new acquisition of Tesla offers, and following this, he has needed to explain why he purchased Tesla shares, which is presently viewed as underestimated in the financial exchange. Here are a few reasons he's referred to. Are you prepared yet? Before we start assuming you like this kind of satisfaction, try to hit that like button, buy into our channel, and turn on notifications to keep awake to date on everything occurring with Tesla. Specialists referred to a couple of justifications for why he purchased the stock, expressing that nothing has changed with the exception of that more individuals are currently centered around Elon Musk and a critical number is beginning to request the top managerial staff he supplanted following Musk's Twitter bargain. There has been a ton of pressure in Tesla's stock execution, and numerous financial backers feel that this may not end well for the vehicle organization. A few financial backers have gotten down on the Tesla leader, mentioning another chief for Twitter so Elon Musk can zero in on driving Tesla to independent. Getting there are additionally requests that Musk could step down as Tesla president, as the responsibility might be becoming a lot for him. Even Musk himself has additionally owned up to an expanded responsibility, adding that he is currently working 24/7 to get his new organization on target to procure hugely. The Tesla chief shared this in a virtual meeting at the G20 culmination in Indonesia, where he discussed how his responsibility has changed since his $44 billion acquisition of Twitter. As per Moss, he is presently working additional time this morning, this evening, and 7 days per week. He said in the meeting that running Tesla's worldwide tasks is turning into extraordinary trouble, adding that the sum that he torments himself is so powerful that it is vital to take note of that. Chicken the Virtuoso has had a lot of comments about Tesla. In one of his recordings, he expressed how a monetary slump could fundamentally affect Tesla's interest in the future. As per him, the car business is one of the first to be impacted during seasons of monetary battles, as individuals may not be purchasing vehicles since many can't bear the cost of the advantage of purchasing vehicles. Discussing an electric vehicle, Shrewd accepts that Tesla is confronting significant interest obliteration, particularly in its Chinese market, where competition is extremely high. He said that Tesla's backlog is contracting in its area, judging by the decrease in hang-tight times for the vehicle as the Chinese vehicle market has developed. Tesla has driven itself to fulfill needs in the planet's greatest vehicle market. The vehicle organization has as of late reduced costs on the Tesla Model 3 and Model Y sold in China, while additionally moving Tesla stores from the costly downtown areas and into additional rural regions where administration stations can be incorporated. Tesla diminished conveyance times in China to as little as 7 days. Standby times in the US are likewise moderately short for the Model 3. Albeit the Model 3 presentation stays inaccessible until the following year, and standby times are additionally essentially longer in Europe. Similar to how Chicken Virtuoso expressed in July that Tesla will encounter a drop in conveyance during the second quarter of this current year, he significantly credited this with the impact of expansion, which will probably make vehicle creation and conveyance delayed down and for sure. Tesla detailed that its productivity was adversely impacted by greater expenses related to unrefined components, wares and strategies, and by the drawn-out closure of the organization's offices in Shanghai because of limitations coming about because of the pandemic. Creation units in and around Shanghai were shut briefly because of severe lockdown measures. Tesla sold just 89,000 vehicles across China during Q2 2022. This comes just subsequent to accomplishing extraordinary development in Q1 2022. Tesla's worldwide deals during Q2 2022 developed by only a long-term over year to more than 254,000 units, missing the mark concerning assumptions in quarter-over-quarter, Likewise, Tesla deals fell 18 anyway, while Tesla was impacted by expansion. Similar to what the chicken virtuoso anticipated, the automaker recorded huge creations during his quarter. Tesla revealed a change in income of $2.27 per share on $16.93 billion in income in Q2 2022. The change in profit for each offer, or EPS, positively beat gauges, rising 56.6% contrasted with a similar quarter last year, an income match experts conjecture rising 41.6% year-over-year as per Tesla. Its income development during this course specialist was driven by expansions in vehicle conveyances and normal selling costs, as well as development in different pieces of the business. In like manner, the decrease in Tesla's standby time might be an indication of expanding requests rather than a decay, as per a new report, as Tesla's Gigafactory in Shanghai produces at a higher rate than any time in recent memory. Tesla's conveyance times have likewise been sliced, and similarly, with a consistent slope in the offices in Texas and Berlin, shoppers in their separate mainlands might see a gradual decrease in wave types. The chief variable that strikes a chord while drawing in Tesla's capacity to cut standby times is creation volume. The higher the creation, the lower the standby time. Consequently, a Tesla's standby time cut in China is logical and a decent pointer that creation keeps on inclining upwards, despite the fact that it is hazy, assuming this additional creation from China will influence standby times in different regions of the planet. What is your take on this? Let us know in the remarks segment underneath for clients taking a gander at other electric vehicles. Heritage automakers have additionally battled with the wait times for their new electric vehicles. Passage has ceaselessly expanded creation numbers for the up-and-coming Portage F-150 lighting. Hyundai and Kia are still years away from opening their US-based EV-producing offices, keeping them from rapidly satisfying client needs for their EVs. No question, Chicken Virtuoso has had a ton to say regarding Tesla and has recently provided the holds-on for various focuses to deal with. However, he actually sees a decent component ahead for Tesla. For what other reason would he purchase such a lot of Tesla shares at this crucial point in time? Chicken Virtuoso accepts that Tesla will have a mind-blowing Q4, and there are a few motivations behind why this could occur. At Tesla's 2022 yearly gathering of investors in August, Musk projected that the organization expected to raise a ruckus around town show pace of 2 million vehicles each year to the furthest limit of 2022, and would keep building manufacturing plants to meet those creation objectives. In like manner, Tesla has said it means to keep on emphasizing its battery improvement among different ventures to harden its corporate arrangement and mission. As per the automaker, the drawn-out progress of this business is subject to expanding edges through more prominent volumes. Tesla's Q4 estimate likewise incorporates an aggressive objective to deliver just about 495,000 Model Y and Model 3s, the automaker's two models that record for around 95% of Tesla's result, as well as the increase of its more current, broad, and costly manufacturing plants in Germany and Texas. The vehicle organization intends to push the worldwide creation of its top-selling Model Y and Model 3 electric vehicles forcefully higher in the final quarter and expand on that development in 2023 with an increase in its fresher production lines. A piece of Tesla's hopefulness is uncovered in the fact that it has ascended to number one in the car business. As far as working edge, the vehicle organization creates more gain on its vehicles than some other vehicle organization on the planet. The automaker as of late demonstrated this after it created multiple times more gain than Toyota in the second quarter of last year. Master's acquisition of Tesla shares is vital to take note of that. It makes up around 5% of the stock portfolio. Thus, that may not be an extremely impressive bullish move by the stock financial backer. What is your perspective about this new buy? Let us know in the remarks segment, and remember to let us know your valuation on Tesla. In the event that you might want to know what Tesla has been doing these past couple of days, feel free to tap on the following video on your screen. See you there.